The Earth is home to more than 298,000 species of plants. Some plants produce attractive, beautiful blooms, while others produce nutrient-dense fruits, while some provide medicinal properties or even have an unusual appearance. Watch along as we look at some of the top 10 strangest plants on Earth. 10. White Baneberry. Baneberry, or Actaea pachypeda, is a little ball-shaped shrub that grows wild in North American forests. It's also known as doll's eye because of its strangely shaped fruits. This plant stands 60 centimeters tall and has only a few leaves. Its rich scarlet stems are also quite beautiful. The fruits of white baneberry are toxic. The flowers of white baneberry are very small, only have the size of 6 mm. 9. Baseball plant. The common name for this South African native is Euphorbia obesa. The plant has the precise shape of a baseball. It's an unbranched plant that reaches a maximum height of 20 centimeters. The odd species of baseball plant is protected by National Environmental Conservation because it is so rare on the planet. Male and female flowers of Euphorbia obesa grow on different plants. Baseball plants are quite toxic, make severe skin problems. 8. Hydnellum peckii. On the surface of the fungus Hydnellum peckii, a blood-like or juice-like material is produced. Another name for this plant is bleeding teeth fungus. Scarlet pigment causes blood, as well as the color of this plant's fluid. This unique plant is predominantly found in North America and Europe. Although the blood-like fluid is edible, it has an extremely bitter taste. Hydnellum peckii has an unpleasant odor. The color of fluids on Hydnellum peckii can be varied as orange or pink. 7. Welwitschia mirabilis. Welwitschia mirabilis is a unique plant that can only be found in the Namibian desert. This strange-looking plant's lifespan is believed to be between 500 and 1,500 years. It is resistant to a wide range of adverse weather conditions. The most remarkable aspect of Welwitschia is that it only has 2 leaves that grow continuously over time. This strange species has separate male and female plants. Largest recorded specimen managed to reach 6 feet in height and 28 feet in length. Antelopes and rhinos eat leaves and soft parts of the stem to obtain water. Damaged plant usually manages to recuperate. 6. Lit hop. Lit hop is a plant that looks like stones or pebbles and is referred to as living stones. The plant's unique shape is actually the result of 2 separate leaves combining at the plant's outer borders. During the wet season, the lit hop plant's leaves grow. South Africa is home to the majority of this uncommon plant species. The thick pebble-like leaves is main visible parts of lit hops. Unlike other plants, the leaves of lit hop are in brown or gray. Lit hops can be found in various colors like white, gray, pink, and purple. Lit hops will live for more than 50 years. 5. Mimosa pudica. Mimosa pudica, often known as sensitive plant or shy plant, is a South American plant. Mimosa pudica, on the other hand, can be found all over the world, especially in bleak environments. The capacity of Mimosa pudica to respond to touch is its most enticing feature. The leaves rapidly fold up when you touch them. The delicate nature of this plant is due to its primitive nerve system, which balances the flow of water from beneath the leaves. Latin name of the plant, Mimosa pudica, originates from unusual habit of the plant to shrink its leaves when touched. Pudica means bashful. Mimosa is also known as sensitive plant, humble plant, touch-me-not, sleeping grass, and shameful plant. In some parts of the world, mimosa is used as fodder. Some varieties of mimosa contain chemicals that may induce poisoning of the cattle. 4. Corpse flower. Titanarum is the common name for the corpse flower. It's the world's largest branching main stem concerned flowering plant. The corpse flower is a Sumatran endemic. The plant reaches a height of 8.2 feet during flowering. The plant also emits a fragrance that is similar to that of a decomposing carcass. Corpse plant bloom only in very 40 years. It is the smelliest and largest flower in the world. Corpse flowers are protected by law as it is very rare. 3. Rafflesia Arnoldii. The Rafflesia Arnoldii has the largest single blossom in the world. It is, in fact, smaller than corpse flower when numerous aspects are taken into account. It is usually found in the jungles of Sumatra. Rafflesia can grow up to 3 feet tall. The plant has a horrible, unpleasant odor, similar to corpse flower. The unisexual flowering plant Rafflesia Arnoldii has a male and female reproductive system. The genus Rafflesia is named after Sir Stamford Raffles, the adventurer and founder of the British colony of Singapore. He was the leader of the Indonesian rainforest expedition team, which is said to have found the Rafflesia flower during 1818. It has been observed that male flowers are much more common than female flowers, and this affects pollination and reproduction negatively. 2. Venus flytrap. Dionaea muscipula, popularly known as Venus flytrap, is a carnivorous plant. It denotes that the plant eats insects and small animals. There are a lot of Venus flytraps in eastern Karolia, especially in the wetter areas. The Venus flytrap has special lobes that help it grab prey. The Venus flytrap closes its lobes immediately when the insects comes in contact with the plant. This plant will digest the insects within a time span of 10 days. The leaves Venus flytrap opens its lobes widely to catch the prey. 1. Pitcher plant. The pitcher plant is another carnivorous plant from Southeast Asia. The plant has a beautiful rich red color to it. Pitcher plants emit a nice aroma that aids in the capture of prey. The main prey of pitcher plants is insects and small animals. It is said that some pitcher plant species can eat mice. The deep cavity that filled with special fluid helped to catch the prey. The plant has most mysterious leaf structure and features special digestive enzymes. That was the 10 strangest plants on the planet. Let me know in the comments if you know some of these plants, and until the next time we see each other, there is not much more to say other than keep climbing up and find the top spots. Bye.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own